Welcome to the new Student Self-Service portal where you can register for classes. Navigate to the registration screen through the Banner Student Portal by clicking on Registration. The registration screen allows you to check your registration eligibility, browse classes, view the course catalog, register for classes, and view the final class schedule. If you already have the course information and you know that you have no holds preventing registration, you may proceed to register for classes directly. On the Prepare for Registration screen, you can view if there are any holds that need to be resolved before you can register. Only when all check marks are green can you proceed with registration. The Browse Classes screen allows you to enter a subject, for example, chemistry, or you can leave the field blank and view all possible classes in alphabetical order. Here we selected chemistry. Click Enter, and a list of available chemistry courses shows instructor, days and times, campus, how many seats are open, and the modality. Modality describes whether the class is fully online, a hybrid online where the class meets on a set day and time via Zoom, a hybrid with one meeting per week on campus, or an on-campus class. We strongly encourage you to read the course description and review any prerequisites to ensure a smooth registration process. Course descriptions with prerequisites can be found within the Browse Course catalog. Write down the full name of the class you wish to take and repeat this step until you have the number of classes you wish to take. Once you have a schedule of classes prepared, you are ready to register. Click on the Register for Classes tab. Select the term for which you wish to register. Click on Continue. Then find Classes. Enter the course name in the subject line and the course number in the course number field. Click Search. This list will show you the individual sections of this course with the date and time and other information. Click the Add button of the class you wish to select. This moves the class into the summary panel on the bottom right of the page. It also shows it in a weekly calendar view on the bottom left. The status of the course shows as pending. You must click the Submit button to complete the registration, and the status will change to Register, and indicating a successful registration. Repeat this step for each remaining class you wish to take. Finally, make sure you view the registration information to ensure that this is your desired schedule. The system will show a list view and a weekly calendar view for your information. Congratulations, you have completed your class registration.